They got perps on standby, homie. They come out and try to function as soon as I come out, you know. This camera is not really that good to capture, but today's video is going to be interesting because yesterday, you know, I was celebrating my birthday and I learned a lot of stuff yesterday. I learned about how these freaking drones are following us and stuff. And I seen a freaking star in the sky, and it was moving. It was like a bright light, and it was just like kind of just passing through the sky or whatever. And then I seen like a blinking light. It was just passing through, like, and I was tripping out, like, dude, like, because I never really see drones up close, you know. I see them, what you call it? Look at that perp. I want to go get closer to her so you guys can see, but yeah, bro, ain't shit. That's all you gotta do. You like interview people, you know. Jesus loves you. They like just walk up to him, start talking about gang stalking, because that's what I usually do, you know. Picture there. There's a flock of people right there. Perp right here in a car. There's a perp. She just exposed them, bro. They don't like being on camera. What do you call it? Like I was saying. Good footage. So like I was saying, yeah, so I seen this star moving right through the sky. And I was like, dude, like these fools go to like the super lengths of like following you around and shit and tracking you, because and I was kind of putting things together, and I was thinking about how Starry, it's S-T-A-R-R-Y, Starry. So that's the name of the Wi-Fi company, and that has a what do you call it, a freaking thing on my roof or whatever. And I was thinking about like Starry, why do they call it that, you know? And then I was like, well, I was looking at the stars and they're moving, and I was just like, that's weird, you know. Probably put it like 2 and 2 together, and I don't know, it's a trip. But this is gonna be a good video, trust me. I'm gonna show you guys a little something right now when I get back to the house. I gotta buy some cat food for my dang cats. So let's see, where's it at? I don't think nobody wants to be in the aisle with me. Cat. You know, see, they can't cut off this video because I have my SIM card out of my phone. So so they can't really mess with my shit. Well, I'm gonna show you guys something. This little thing here. It's a pouch. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do when I get back home. And I'm gonna teach you guys the skills to show you the skills, you know. Gotta show you the skills to be an empowered individual. Did you buy that here? This? Where are they at? Oh shit, yeah, let me get one of those. Oh, perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah, let me get one of these. Can I have a bag? Have a good day. They love telling us that. Have a good day, sir. Hello. Weak sauce. Pulling up. Weak sauce. Just shine them on, bro. Don't even pay attention to those weak people. What do you think I'm gonna do with this? Huh? Straight actors, bro. Google Tilo 57. Stop gang stalking. Stop gang stalking, blood. You see, they don't stop. I don't stop. And they ain't never gonna stop. So I'm never gonna stop. I'm not gonna be worried about them trying to stop. They've already crossed the line. Now they need to be impeached. I'll show you guys the skills, blood. Look at this freaking Muppet, bro. Blood. Like a puppet on a string. Like a puppet on a string. This freaking weak side, blood. Come on now. Timing coordination. What the fuck, blood? Hey, blood. You know about gang stalking? I'm just messing with these people. I'm not being serious because I know they don't want to talk. They're a little bit camera shy, you know? Not me. So I show everything. But you know, I got my little thing right here. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if it works or not, but I went to a house on my birthday. My cousin invited me over. And I felt like it was kind of like a setup. Because I started getting hit with like some kind of waves. So I just posted up outside, like under a tree. Because trees help to block the negativity. You know, that negative stuff they're trying to focus on us. And they had a bunch of the new kind of light bulbs, like the ones that the power company wants you to have, the energy saving ones or whatever. Now what does that say there? Huh, I wonder who put that there. Little bastards. And the trash can too. You see that sticker right there? Skadoosh. Oh, I think that was one of my fans. I also put one on one of these doors right there. You see where it's black? Somebody took it off. You know, they don't want the truth exposed. So yeah, I think people in your family or friends or whatever, they want you to go places, certain places, because you know it's already set up. Like people have a bunch of stuff, and it's freaking hot with this jacket on, but I like black. I like black colors, dark colors, especially Raiders and stuff. I just grew up liking these colors. It just never no symbolism, because people always try to say, like, you know, freaking Illuminati or Masons are all about black and white or whatever. I don't give a shit what they wear. I just like the colors personally, just as a wardrobe. But yeah, so that house was perped, and then I seen the stars moving, and I was thinking about it for some reason. I took out the SIM card to my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Matter of fact, let me see. Show you guys what's up. And I was like, how are they tracking me? Like, you know, without, you know, my battery in my phone or whatever. The chips on your credit card or phone are the same. And that's like you carrying around some kind of beacon that they could read. Folk boys want to make loud noise. I had to get my pet some other freaking food. So peep this. I'll just keep the recording from not messing up. Alright. Shut your mouth. Heard you the first time. Ella, Edward. Can't let my cat starve. So, I'm about to show you guys something very interesting right now. Keep this. So, let's see here. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. So, I didn't really think about the technicalities of this, but it goes that deep. And shit. Oh yeah, I got it. So, Five. I had to get cat food.
No, come here. You can give my money.
I already bought it.
I need the money, man.
Somebody got mad. I'll give her some I have to go to the bank and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys in the light. This is a freaking Alright, so you guys want to carry one of these to save your files and stuff on, like, because your phone gets full or whatever, and you save your files and transfer them to a computer. This is a RFID blocking freaking Mission Darkness, and then this is a RFID blocking wallet. It's made out of carbon fiber, and what this does is it blocks the signal from your chips from, you know, tracking or whatever. You see, like, that's the SIM for PayPal, and then this is the SIM for, you know, Wells Fargo or whatever, and this is a freaking Metro PCS SIM card, and that is the same, and they can easily track you with that. This is RFID blocking fabric. You can use this in a ball cap or whatever, just to mess with these perps. Order some if you want, put it in your hat, and you'll see them go haywire. This is tin foil cap or something like that. I bought this online. It's kind of expensive. It was like 60 bucks, and it's gotten dirty because of the copper mesh or whatever. And then it has this liner thing or whatever. I use this sometimes just to mess with these perps. But all you gotta do really is just take these freaking piece of shits out. The one for your phone, you can't really mess with that one, but if you block it, you take it, remove it from your phone, put it in between this or inside this, it's not going to be able to pick up signal. And that's how they track us. That's one way they track us, so I don't want this shit. Oh, damn it. I don't want this shit collecting information or data, you know, making money off of us. You shouldn't even have a bank account in the first place, honestly. Damn it. I'm gonna cut myself. Just want to get this crap out. I don't need this shit. I don't want this shit. You know, I do not consent. And I'm gonna fucking keeping on. And these perps, ain't gonna do shit about it. What do you call it? Do not use smart light bulbs. Use old school ones, the first ones that they made. Do not use freaking, see this piece of shit? I want to destroy that. Make sure you destroy it. Alright. Destroyed. PayPal, goodbye. See, they're always trying to control us some way, some stupid way. And you gotta be smart. You don't need a chip. Anyways, hope you guys liked this video. I sure did. Also, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna try to do targeted individual searches. It's gonna be a screen recording. So what I do is I put my cards in here, you know, and then this SIM card I'll put, you know, in between, you know, these cards, like so. Drop it in there. No, it cannot track me. You can go to this link, putting it in here. Because when you do want to use your phone, you can. So, that's all, folks.